Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So on my screen right now, I am looking at the Quantum Trade EA listing on the MQL5 Marketplace. One important thing to point out early is that this EA is built strictly for MT4. So if you want to use it, you have to use the MetaTrader 4 platform. Now its version is 1.3 currently, updated on 27th January 2025, and it is priced at 199 US dollars. Scrolling through the description, the main idea behind this EA is pretty clear. It is designed to trade during a specific market window, basically the transition period after the US session closes and before the Pacific session fully opens. All right. The focus here is on capturing short-term volatility during that quieter shift in liquidity. From the features section, I can see it is mainly optimized around EURGBP, especially on the M5 time frame. Okay, so that already tells me the EA is built for a very specific environment rather than broad market conditions. It mentions session-based activation, meaning it only trades within a defined time window. There is also candle closed based entry logic combined with technical indicator conditions. So trades are only triggered when certain confirmations align. Now on the risk side, there are tools like stop loss, take profit, trailing stop, lot size control, and maximum loss limits. Okay, I also see time zone settings, which means the EA can adjust based on server time or manual configuration, especially useful for backtesting accuracy. Now we're just going to be moving into the strategy tester, and I'm going to be running the EA. I'm going to be running the Quantum Trade EA on EURGBP, the recommended pair. I'm going to be running it on M5, which is the recommended time frame. All right, what I'm mainly looking at here is how it behaves during different phases of market activity across the historical chart. So let's quickly head over to our strategy tester. We are using the every tick model. All right, and we are running the test over the past month. Okay, so let's quickly see the report now. From an initial deposit of $50,000, we can see that the total net profit made was $963.96. And total trades taken, we are just 8. Short positions, we are 7 with 71.43% win rate. The long positions were just 1, and it was a losing trade. Now we can see that the largest profit made was $886.32. The largest loss was $566.2. The average profit was $410.98, and the average loss $363.65. Now, this shows that the risk to reward ratio is not really good enough. The difference between the average profit and the average loss, judging from the average profit and average loss, we can see that the risk to reward ratio is close to 1:1. All right, and then the win rate is not exactly very impressive, right? So I'm not surprised that the total net profit was less than 2%. Okay, but at least the total net profit is substantial. Given the close to 1:1 risk to reward ratio and win rates that we have here, I guess is okay, right? Now let's just quickly look at how the EA works. All right, let's see how it is when active. So I'm just turning on the visuals right now, and there is the same settings, right? Just gonna click on start. Let's see how the EA will be displayed in action. Okay, so we can see the EA in action right now. You can see this dashboard here showing the free margin, the account profit, account balance, the company, the currency, account leverage, and account name. And we can also see the EA active, right? You can see how it's also displaying these zones, the trade zones, right? Or rather the opportunity zones, if I'm going to call it that. Okay. And from the backtest results, I can observe how the EA reacts mainly during those specific session windows, with trades clustering around certain volatility shifts. Now, it looks like it waits for structured conditions rather than reacting constantly to every movement. You can see that the EA is not the type to, aggressively execute trades, right? It takes its time to look for opportunities in the market. Okay, it's not reacting constantly to every single price movement. All right, but I am still going to recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more complete picture across different market conditions. Like I said before, we are running this test over the past month, and the 1 month data is insufficient, to conclude on the profitability of an expert advisor. All right, so I would recommend that if you are really interested in this EA, you want to test it over a longer period of time, maybe 1 year, 2 years, or even more, so that you can be able to capture a wider range of market conditions. Okay, so that you can be able to, get a significant amount of data for the back testing. And well, we finally had a trade executed. Okay, so like I said already, this EA is not the type to, aggressively enter trades. It takes its time, find opportunities, and execute accordingly. So now, overall, this is a very session focused expert advisor with a structured trading window. All right, and the real evaluation comes down to how it performs under your own broker conditions, settings, and risk preferences. Okay, so if you found any value in this video at all, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. And also don't forget to share the video with other trader friends who you feel are going to find it valuable as well. Okay, so in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.